G'day guys, it's Robert from Outback Equipment. Today, TINNY series build where we're replacing the old existing trailer winch. So guys, with the winch, as you can see, the actual winch strap's starting to get a little bit tired. I know these can be easily replaced. The bigger concern is on the inside of the spool underneath the strap. Unfortunately, it has rust and corroded out, causing to the stiffness of the actual winch winding in. So we'll go ahead and replace that with a new one. We're replacing our existing winch with an arc boat winch. The ratio of this one, a 900 kilo rating. We've got plans of taking this one up to far north Queensland. So with the added extra gear, fuel, all the camping gear we're going to have in the boat, certainly going to go far by helping. The gear ratio difference between the two, we've gone from the existing 5-to-1 winch to a 2-speed. Certainly helping assisting a winding, winching up that nice and easy. We've gone to a 5-to-1 and a 1-to-1 winch, so making it super light at the trailer when winching on. So guys, basic tools at home, you should have a couple of shifters. There's only 2 bolts in securing the winch to the actual trailer. So we've got the top ones up here, and then we've got the 2 nuts underneath. Hot tip, in preparation of taking the winch off, ideally you probably want to take off your safety chain. It may include taking off your boat tie down strap. Just moving the boat away from the actual winch is giving you a little bit more room to access those nuts and bolts. Okay guys, that's the first one out. Move on to the next one. Finding your way in with your actual shifter on this one's a little bit tricky. Sometimes you may have to come above the actual winch for loosening this one. Does help having your ratchet shifters too as well. So guys, once you've got those nuts back on, go ahead now and start tightening them up. So guys, that's the finish of the install there, fitting now the 2 bolts. Simply now just hooking it up to the boat, winching it back up, job done. So guys, as you see in the video, that was quite a simple install. Having seen that last bit of the winding coming onto the actual trailer itself, having that 1-to-1 speed makes it super light and easy. Generally, you'd only use that for the last section of winding it onto the trailer. So it makes it very, very easy. Guys, again, if you've got any questions, comments, leave your comments down below. Give it a big thumbs up for the video. We'll check you out in the next install. See you guys.